Exploring etabs interface. Here we have a file. From file option you can create a new model or open an existing model. Save. For saving this model, save a copy from this model. Import, like import etabs e2k text file. This text file allows you to open this model in a previous or older versions of etabs. From export you can export also e2k or export the model as dxf for AutoCAD file. From edit you can edit a lot of things like frames, shells, grids, replicate, extrude points, and other options. From a view you can view a 3D view, plan view, zoom in, zoom out. From define you can define material properties of steel and FC prime concrete, section properties for frame sections, beams and columns, slab sections or wall sections. Also you can define load patterns such as dead load, live load, super dead, wind load, snow load, and other load patterns. Also you can define load combinations. From draw you can draw a lot of things such as grids. Select, you can select structural element based on object type like walls, beams, columns, floors. Also you can deselect them. From assign you can assign joint restraints to be fixed or frame section property to change it. For shell loads, frame loads, join loads. From analyze you can check the model before analysis. Set the mesh size to be, for example, 0.25 meter. From analyze you can run the analysis or by pressing F5. From display you can display a lot of things like load assigns on frame and force stresses. Design, from this option you can design the model by clicking on concrete frame design. If it is a project of steel, you can press this option. From options, there is a lot of options like graphic colors, graphic preferences of font size, and others. Here we have in the workspace 3 spaces. First one is Model Explorer. This will allows you to explore the model like groups, loads, properties, structural layout, and other options. At the left we have a lot of elements or tools that can allow you to draw beams, columns, slabs, openings, and a lot of things. In the middle we have a plan view. We can change it by pressing on 3D or elevation. Now we have 3D. I will change this to plan. I will select the story and click on close. So I have XY plan and 3D view of XYZ. This is for our lesson today. See you later.